Hello, it's Russ LeBlanc here, NEC consultant for ECNM magazine. And in this video I'm taking a look at the way this box is installed and supported on this PVC conduits we see here. What we have is a violation of section 352.12b. PVC conduit is not permitted to support luminaires or other equipment such as this PVC box. However, 352.10.8 does allow PVC conduit to support conduit bodies. But this is a box, not a conduit body, so we definitely have a violation. Also, 314 contains requirements for supporting of boxes, and 314.23 again does not allow PVC as a means of support for boxes.